Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. Alright, this is example 2 under the area of a circle series. What is the area of a circle with a radius of 35 meters? What is the area of a circle with a radius of 35 meters? And we're given pi as 22/7. Alright, so let's solve this. Alright, the formula for calculating the area of a circle, remember, is pi r squared. Pi r squared. Alright, our pi is given as 22/7. The radius is 35 meters. Alright, it's squared, right? That means we multiply it by itself. 35 meters. Okay, since we are not using a calculator at this stage to evaluate this, you're not expected to multiply everything before you divide. Okay, before your division, before you multiply, check if there is anything downstairs that can divide anything upstairs. All right, this one is 35/1, so check if you have any common factor between the denominator and the numerator, and we can see here that 7 is a factor of 35, so that means 7 can divide 35. So we simplify that. 7 goes in 7 once, and 7 in 35 is 5. 7 in 35 is 5. All right, so at this stage where there's nothing again that can divide, we then multiply. That makes our work easy. All right, so we're going to be doing the multiplication together. We'll do 22 times 5, then we'll multiply the result by 35. Okay, so what we have left is 22 times 5 meters times 35 meters. Okay, so let's do it this way. We have 22 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. We'll write the 0, then take the 1. 5 times 2, 10. Then plus 1, we have 11. So that's 110. Then remember, we still have to multiply that by 35. Okay, I'm going to show you a little trick here. So I'm only going to multiply 35 and 11. Okay, so I'll bring down the 0. Let me close this up. Okay, so I have 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And then I'm going to add that together. So I have 0, 5, 8, and 3. So the answer would be 3,850 meters times meters will give us meters squared. All right, so and that will be our final answer. So you've learned a trick here on how to multiply numbers that have zeros. You could just bring the 0 down. That means you're taking the times 10 out, and then you bring it to the answer. All right, so the area of a circle with a radius of 35 meters will give you 3,850 meters squared. All right, if you have any question, please do well to engage, ask in the comment section, and then I will attend to them. Please like and share. Tell your friends about it. Thank you. Bye.